No, there's no earthquake. That's me. This is what I live with every day. The simplest things, like drinking a cup of coffee. The thing that's worrying me right now about YouTube is that people who have subscribed to my channel, which thank you so very much for your support, I certainly appreciate it. But it's very hard for me to type you a message. Like something somebody else would do in 2 minutes, it's going to take me at least 10 your video. So all I'm asking is to just be a little tolerant with me. That's all I'm asking. Because in all honesty, it's not easy. Okay? Okay? Stay tuned. I'm going to bring you a new craft, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks. Today, like I told you, this craft is going to be simple, quick, but I think it's going to be a necessity. That when I go out, we noticed that people would drop their masks, pick it up, put it back on their face, or they'd be carrying bags with their mask in their hand. We've seen men taking their mask out of their pockets, women taking masks out of their purses, all those problems. One simple solution. First things first, we're going to open a pack of swivel hooks, and I'm going to take my glue. If you want to sew this, by all means, because unfortunately I can't do that. I'm just going to put, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention, here I put down a piece of wood, just so it's easier for me if I need to move it to let it dry somewhere else. And I put a piece of parchment paper on top of it because the glue won't stick to the parchment paper. So we're going to take this and the fabric glue, and we're just going to put some glue on the end. We're just going to get that on there so that it holds it while it dries. You're going to do the same thing to the other side. Oh, are we having fun now? So we're just going to set that aside and wait for it to dry. Okay.
Hi, well, it's the next day, and as I told you, I was going to tell you how it turned out. And it worked really well. The glue worked fantastic. When I tried it on this morning, the swivel hooks were so big, it looked like I was wearing big funky earrings. So I went and made another one so I could show you. It's all glued. I'll show you pretty close. And I put little things on it. Decorate it a little, make it your own. See, it's all glued. And it's really solid. And I'm gonna model it for you. Oh, I dropped my mask, but it doesn't matter. Why? because I have it on my safety thing. So, listen, thanks for being with me, and I appreciate it. Love you guys. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time. And I'm gonna model it for you. Woo-hoo-hoo. I forgot my mask. No, I didn't. Oh, I dropped my mask, but it doesn't matter because I have it on my safety thing.